can ask for better, North Carolina, right?
Yeah. I guess you know what we're doing.
Yeah. What's the name of your guys' group? Because I've seen videos of you guys in North Carolina.
Look on YouTube and hit North Carolina, dude. You'll find us.
And put the Franklin Correctional.
Did you guys do? Were you guys at Wilson PD?
I'm not gonna be able to walk that far, dude. Ain't no way I can walk to that sign. If you want to walk to that sign, dude, I just don't advise. I don't advise getting too far away from me. You know what I mean? I mean, I'll walk halfway. I might can walk to that paved part right there. But that'd be about as it. Can't hear you, ma'am.
Y'all have a reason for being here?
Yeah, we independent journalists doing a story on the correctional facility here.
And this is not very many prisons can you get up close to like this. And I've never seen one before.
Yeah, I know, that's why we always have to wear them. We have a problem with people throwing packages and stuff over.
They're doing what? The car went by.
Packages and stuff over. That's why we confront anyone who's up here.
Hey.
In case that's what.
I don't blame you.
Yeah, do what you got to do.
We're not going to throw any thing over.
No, we don't have no
I don't
reason.
want to end up in there.
Right.
Okay.
It's really cool.
It's all good.
Can you tell us something like how many inmates there are here?
480.
How many? 180?
480.
Oh, 480?
480.
Just a male facility?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. With the towers and everything.
Yeah. Looks like some brand new barbed wire, man. That stuff's shiny.
Brand new fence, everything.
Oh, yeah? Cool.
Can we have a tour inside?
No, you'd have to make arrangements up there. At the admin building up here.
Right.
That's probably who you should
What was
go.
your name again?
It's Kraus.
Kraut?
Kraus. K-R-A-U-S-E.
Kraus. Okay.
But like I was saying, y'all might want to check in with the admin building so they know what you're doing here.
There's somebody coming there.
Well,
That's
we're
the captain.
yeah, we on the side of we on the side of the road, so we don't need to get permission. I can't hear you, sir. We can film anything from right where we at right now.
Gotcha.
Right on, baby. Do what you do. You can't control us right here, baby. Can't nobody tell us what to do from right here. What's up, man? Get a good shot. You write it down? Yeah. Yeah, okay. I know they did. They put it. They parked behind it a while ago. Oh, you having a good day?
No, not really.
No? Why?
Acting up.
Huh? They act up? Oh man. Gotta hate that shit, huh? So are they coming? No?
You don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Haven't called anything.
I guess. Oh, we was just gonna wait on them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is that what the guy in the white shirt said?
He didn't say nothing, man. He said, well, you can't be here filming. I was like, yes, we can. This is public property right here. Yeah, so he can't make us stop.
Yeah, he walked off mad.
Yeah, he walked off mad. He walked pretty fast, so we figured he called the sheriff. But, you know, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. This ain't our first rodeo. I can't hear you. I'm right here, Daddy. This ain't no traffic stop. You can't bully me. This ain't no traffic stop. Stop with your bullshit. I know my rights. I'm right here, baby. I'm good.
Sir,
You see how big I am?
it's dangerous for me to step over here.
I'm in control of my safety.
Yes, sir. For your safety, I'm
Hey,
gonna
where
step
you
over
6 foot at? Don't touch me. Hey,
Step over
watch
here.
out now.
Step over
you
here.
can't be touching me.
Yeah, step on the other
can't-
side of the road.
You
Step on
understand?
the other
I'm
side of the
recording
road.
you right now.
Yes, sir. I know
What the
that.
fuck are you doing?
Stand over
Are
there.
you fucking stupid?
I don't want you to
Are you fucking stupid? You gotta be stupid
might
for
be.
touching me.
I might be. I don't know.
You know that's
But
a
I want you-
lawsuit, right?
I want you to stand over
Just
here.
like
so
you
don't
talking
get
about
hit.
putting him back
And
in
I
my
don't
damn
wanna-
truck. I know my rights, dude.
I don't want to get hurt, and I don't want you to
Then
get
you
hurt.
should have
okay?
stayed in your fucking car.
Okay, well, I can't do that. I got a call out here to see
You didn't get this ain't a traffic stop though, buddy. You know better.
Look, I got a call out here. I'm on a call, all right?
You
I'm
don't
doing an
push
investigation.
me though. You don't
All right.
do that.
Yes, sir. I don't want anybody to get hurt. I want to be safe,
Listen,
sir.
you ain't in
All right.
control of my
Have you got
safety.
some ID, sir?
You ain't getting no ID.
Okay, all right. You what are you doing?
I ain't
now?
doing nothing illegal.
Okay. You're okay.
Yeah, I'm
Everything's fine.
great, man.
Okay, all right.
You're
all
not
right.
gonna be great when I sue your fucking ass for touching me.
All right, you can't
That's
use
unwanted
profanity
touch.
on the side.
Unwanted touch.
You can't use
I'm on
profanity.
public property. I can cuss all day long. It's called free speech.
It's called
No,
disorderly
it ain't,
conduct.
dude. I know better.
using
I know my
abusive
rights.
language
I know my rights.
To retake.
I know my rights.
You're wrong, and I'm trying to explain
I'm
it
not
to you.
wrong.
So just don't
I know
cuss
better.
anymore. If you
I know
cuss
better.
Again, I'm
I
gonna
know
do something
better.
different,
I know
okay?
better.
All right, I'm
I know
trying to tell
different.
you the statute.
I know.
You can
I
talk
know
over
it.
me.
I know it.
You can talk over me if you want to. That's
Because you're a
fine, sir.
dumbass. That's why.
Look, sir.
You
just don't
touched
cuss
me.
out
That's what
here.
pissed me off. You shouldn't have touched me.
I'm sorry. I don't want you to get hurt.
I don't care about what you want. I'm in control of my
Okay.
safety.
All right. Well,
You had
I don't wanna
that's
get
an
hurt,
unwanted
and I don't want
touch,
you to
and I
get
can
hurt.
press charges on your dumb ass.
Well, you do whatever you need to do, sir. I just want you to be safe,
Touch
okay,
me.
buddy?
You fucking
Okay,
stupid,
all
man.
right.
You shouldn't
Now-
have never touched me.
Now, I got a call out here.
Call for service. Do your job then.
Okay.
Investigate.
Okay,
You see
all
what
right.
you see what we doing? That's what we've been doing the whole time.
Y'all, what are you doing?
Illegal protected activity.
Okay,
And you're gonna
all right.
push me.
Sir, you keep going back to the push
Because that pissed me off, and you had no right to touch me.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm trying to get
You
you
sorry
out of
my
the
ass? You wasn't sorry when I told you to stop three
Look,
times.
Once we got over here, are we okay now?
3 times. No,
Are we
we're not okay.
Yes, we're
No, we're
safe.
not okay
We're
because you
safe.
touched me.
Okay, all right, that's fine. All right, and you don't want to give me any information?
Are you not getting nothing?
There's nothing wrong with that.
Whatever,
That's what
man.
I was
I ain't hiding. I'm parked on the side of the road.
And you understood why I asked you that. I just explained it to you.
You was fine until you put your hands on me, sir.
Sir, you can
What's
say
your
that.
name and
Oh.
badge number?
I don't have a badge number.
ID number.
Yeah, I don't have an ID number.
What's your name then?
Little. It's right here.
Little. So you don't even know what side it's on.
No, I don't, because, I mean...
You don't wear it every day?
Sometimes I wear this uniform,
Yeah, okay.
sometimes I
Oh,
don't.
okay, all right.
Yeah. I don't work every day.
So now you can get your dumb ass right back in your car
Okay.
and let me do what I come here to do.
Okay, that's fine,
Right.
All right. Have a good day.
Yep.
Be careful.
Yep.
Get hurt, all right?
You know you're gonna hear it from you touching me like that.
Sir, stand
I don't
right
care.
here.
Listen,
You can't stand
I'm
on the
in
side
control
the
of my safety.
road. You see this truck?
I see that truck. That's what they supposed to
All right,
do. I'm a
stand.
pedestrian at this point.
Sir, you're on the side. You're in the roadway. If you
No
go over there 25
shit.
feet, you're out of the roadway. You can't be out here
I'm
in the
not
roadway.
going out there 25
You're
feet.
impeding traffic.
You just did that, not me.
No, he didn't.
You was on that side. He seen you first.
I know. He's
And
got
if
to
he
get
can't
over
see my big ass, something's wrong.
Look, sir, I
Just
don't
get
know
back
this.
in your car.
Okay, all right. Yes, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, kick rocks. Touching me. Fucking crazy. Out your damn mind. Motherfucker's crazy. Bitch just put his hands on me 3 fucking times. 3 times.
What's going on, guys?
How's it going?
Hey, pretty good.
It's a beautiful day.
Hey, you can ask for better, North Carolina, right?
I guess you know what we're doing.
Yeah. What's the name of your guys' group? Because I've seen videos of you guys in North Carolina.
Look on YouTube and hit North Carolina, dude. You'll find us.
And put the Franklin Correctional.
Did you guys do? Were you guys at Wilson PD? I'm not gonna tell you anything.
Let me tell you, Little come out here a while ago, dude. He pushed me 3 fucking times.
Okay. I'm not gonna do that.
No,
Yeah, I'm not gonna
I
do
understand
I
that.
don't-
He didn't. I'm telling you, dude.
Yeah.
That is a train wreck waiting to happen.
No.
He had me.
I'm just,
I was
I'm
pissed.
just making contact with you. Just make sure you guys are out of the roadway. Be
Oh,
safe.
we grown.
And,
we grown. We.
on this road, so just be safe. And
That's all
like I
he
said,
had to say.
Yeah.
That's all he had to say, dude. And he shoved me 3 fucking
We got
times.
it on
Constitutionally,
video.
you guys are fine. I
He
would never,
fucked with that, and he's gonna. I'm telling you, dude. He messed
could
up
be-
bad.
I'm gonna talk to him.
He
I'm gonna
messed
go talk
up.
to him right
He
now,
messed up.
but
Now, if it would help a lot, we won't file a complaint if he comes and apologizes.
I'll go talk to him.
If he
I can't
does-
guarantee. Well, that's his decision. I
If
can't.
he's got a lot of complaints, he might want to.
I mean, that's out of control. Nobody should conduct themselves like that.
I know.
Nobody.
We're all different human beings, though.
Yeah.
That still don't make it right.
I understand that. I understand. You're absolutely.
I was cordial, been cordial to the guards here and everything, and he come out there trying to give me direction.
And that's great. Most of the time, they don't have people who are that cordial, so that's all that matters.
It wasn't
you know
that
what I mean?
bad. They hadn't done nothing really wrong, but when Little come out here, he fucked it all up.
Yeah.
And he should
All
know
right.
when
Well,
you got
I'll-
a video camera not to pull something like that.
Oh, it's fine. Like I said, what you guys are doing is absolutely. You guys are 100% right. By rights. What's up, LT? Good, good. Yeah, we're 10-4. Yes, sir.
How's it going? What's your name, sir?
You don't have a name? Oh, you're failing to identify another asshole. I swear, dude. This county's rigged with them. Yeah, fuck you. See what I'm saying, dude? That's unprofessional. Why do that? Why not? Why not?
Be the sheriff one day.
Look, did you state your name?
I'm Deputy Nerm, Boys 13. This is my zone. I was called out here because there was guys videotaping.
Do you see what I'm saying? All we doing is asking for his name.
Did y'all come by?
I'll go try to make contact with him.
Thank you very much.
Like I said, just try to stay out of the roadway so nothing happens. But
And be
you guys are
safe.
good. Thanks, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, you see this riddled with him, dude. Riddled with him. Another asshole. He's a lieutenant because he called him LT. He's a lieutenant, whatever. Lieutenant something. You know why he didn't do it?
He didn't want
Because
to get
he
sued.
didn't want to be in the complaint that or when they sued Little for shoving me 3 times. I mean, you wait till you see
know
it.
what you're-
Wait till you see it, dude.
I gotta stop this.
Oh my God, I think I'm rolling too. Y'all give me some love. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. Make it look like this. And always remember to keep those cameras rolling, baby.